Yo, what's up guys? It's Moto Vlog Day. The intro is going to be a little short because I don't, there's no need to take up SD card space when I'm just going the same spot that I usually do. But right now in today's Moto Vlog, we are meeting up with Stone again. Like last video, he ran that stop sign. We're meeting up with Stone again. I just left the gas station. And we are currently going to my old gym, Planet Fitness, to cancel because I'm gonna, like I said last video, I'm gonna go to Choose. So I'm just gonna be riding. The ride to Planet Fitness is really boring. So I'm gonna pick up the vlog back when I get close because we'll see if, if we can find Stone. So that's what we're gonna try and do. So I will see you when we get to my gym. Alright guys, we're almost here. Just my helmet. It looks like there's some pretty bad traffic on his side, so I really don't know if he beat me or not. But I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we? It's so weird coming here at like the middle of the day. It's like 1:30. I'm so used to literally coming here at fucking 2 in the morning. Like, it's weird being here so like early. Good Lord. I don't know if I mentioned it. I might have, so I might be repeating myself. But we're also going, after this, we're going to the Apple store. Stone's looking at buying a new iPad. So I think we're going to go to the, well, I don't think, I know we're going to the Apple store. So that'll be kind of cool. they were riding doubles on a scooter. You don't see that often. Now, I'm almost positive I beat him here. I'm not seeing a Honda CBR. There he is. Okay, so he did beat me. Damn, once again, he beat me again, dude. I was just talking to Vlog saying, I bet you I beat him here again.
I literally just got here.
No shit, dude. I sat at that light over there for fucking ever.
I literally checked my phone like right. It's like I didn't do it right there.
No shit, dude. Good timing, man. All right, Vlog, we're gonna go in here and into this.
Below.
Huh?
5 and below.
I know. Well, I don't know if you're in a hurry.
I'm not.
Because I mean, I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't hate it.
We can go.
Okay. I'm gonna go cancel my gym membership and I'll pick up the vlog when we're going over to 5 Below. Right now, we are headed to the Apple store. I don't know how much I'm gonna film of it because we're about 26 minutes away and I don't want to waste battery or space. And you don't want to see us switch at red lights. Wow, that was cool, man. I approve of that. That was cool. He did like the welder thing. I can't do it. Do it. Oh, hell yeah. Wow. Yay. That was cool. All right. Enough's talking at red light.
We're gonna go for the kill switch. Damn, there was 20 seconds left.
I cannot believe I was not recording. Stone just dropped his motorcycle and I missed it. I cannot believe that. He just dropped his bike. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna make him send me that clip. I'm gonna make him send me that clip. I hope he didn't damage his bike or anything. Oh my god. Let's make sure it's not damaged. That's just dirt.
I was literally like, it's kind of far, but I'm gonna go for it.
All right, we just pulled over. I think you guys seen that. We looked at the bike. Everything's fine. If you look right here, it's kind of hard to tell. I don't want to lean my bike too far over. He's got these frame sliders, so that's what took the brunt of it. There's nothing that's damaged, so.
It wasn't a hard drop.
It was, no, you literally set it down gently. Stone, it was one of those, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Like, kind of like when you're sitting in a chair that you know is going to break and you just have to go with it. It's just once he leaned it too far over, it's like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
My leg can get stuck underneath it.
Oh yeah, man. And if you guys don't know, this road is one of the busiest roads right now, and it was right next to like our in and out. Oh man, I wish I was recording, but we're gonna continue on to Apple and continue our day. All right, we're just hopping on the highway. I got separated from Stone a little bit, but that's all right. We'll catch you. We'll catch him. Woo! Stone is very close. There's my dad. Hi. Hello. Yeah, so it wasn't really a drop. It was more of a set down. I wouldn't really consider that a drop. We've all done it. You know, I've done it. Everybody's done it. I've actually done it 3 times. If you count when I was riding scooters. Oh my goodness, I had a couple pretty gnarly crashes on the scooters, man. I had this one, I don't know how well you can hear me with all the wind, sorry. I had this one, I wasn't aware about the whole turning your handlebars and hitting the front brake. And my whole neighborhood was outside, of course, kind of like Stone. I turned the handlebars, man, I hit that front brake. I flew over the handlebars, landed straight on my back, and crashed the fuck out of that scooter. I think my brother was there, neighbors were there. It was embarrassing as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. It was really embarrassing. So I know what it feels like, and it's not fun, man. It's not fun. Here he is. Oh, he's right up next to me. There he goes. Thank God for frame sliders, though, eh? They are key. So we're probably about 15 minutes from Apple, I would say. So we're not too far. Ooh, we're slowing down really fast. Damn, what the fuck's going on here? Wasn't filming that either.
I thought the snow was gonna go for it.
Yeah, if they would have went, I would have went.
Today has been a fucking nightmare for me.
You're not wrong. So I wasn't filming, but as you guys can see, Stone just skid the fuck out of his back tire.
Kind of scary.
Oh, I know. I've done it too, man. I did it when me and Josh were in downtown Denver. So today is not Stone's day, so let's not ride fast today.
Yeah.
Let's take. Yeah, exactly. Let's take our time today. Stone just skidded his rear. Let me make sure I'm filming now. Yeah. Stone just skidded his rear tire, as you can see. It was a big flat spot. Well, now we know that bike does not have ABS. But in all honesty, that's not really like Stone's fault there, because that light had just turned yellow, and we were going way too fast to like slow down right there, way too fucking fast. So I wasn't gonna go anyway, even if Stone made it through. I wasn't gonna go. But yeah, that's scary, man. Locking up your rear tire. Today is just a video about Stone, and I feel bad for the poor guy. But thank God he didn't ran into the back of him. You know, it's a good thing. It's always good, obviously. The downshift here. But you know, it shouldn't be. His tires are like brand fucking new, so they shouldn't be. They shouldn't be affected too bad by that. But of course, it wasn't filming. He fucking blew tire smoke everywhere. I just keep missing all the action today, and I'm sad about it. But I don't know if I've ever filmed on this road. This is Santa Fe. I don't know if I filmed here before. I'm gonna start slowing down a little bit before Stone. Stone gonna let this guy over? Yeah. Yeah, today is not Stone's day, man. He just needs to ride carefully. Yeah, the fucking rubber marks are like basically already gone. Thank God it wasn't like wet or anything, because that would have sucked dick. we're gonna get caught at this red light. Fantastic. Is anything gonna happen at this red light? Maybe I should leave the fucking camera on. No, because I want to film a lot more, so I'm gonna turn you guys off and catch you in a minute. Guess what, guys? Something happened at this red light. You see that guy flying up there on that Triumph? Pulled up next to me, and he loved my bike. Of course, I missed it. Man, he's flying too. I missed it. But he said that he loved this bike, and it was really cool, and gave me a thumbs up and everything. Stone actually had to tell me that he was looking at me and talking to me, because I didn't even see the guy. And he's up there, man. He is flying. I'm gonna do a stop now to Stone. See this stop? Dude, what is up with all this shit? We are having to come to stops really quick. Like, really fast. Like, what the shit, man? Today is one of those days where we ride carefully. Really carefully. Just one of those days, man. And we're trying to do this, not for you guys, because, you know, my channel, I can't afford it. But we're trying to do it for Stone, because he's trying to get, he's going to leave me here. We're trying to, you know, film better content for you guys. Now, can I hop over here? And just like that, we're back up with him. Ooh, big bump. I don't know how much further it is, to be honest. Oh, God. Uh-oh. Ugh. I'm really trying to decide what I should do for Halloween, guys. Stone just bought this weird fucking mask at Five Below. It's so memey and so weird looking. It's like a stormtrooper, but it's like so fucking weird. Ooh, there's an Audi R8. Damn, I wish it was open. We could race him. We could race him, guys. Damn, I wish the fucking traffic was clear. There's a whole ass R8. Should I lane split to catch up to Stone? You guys see any cops? Should I lane split? I'm gonna. I did. I lane splitted. That was my first time lane splitting. That was my first time lane splitting. Oh, I just got a whiff of some weed. All right, I don't think anything interesting's gonna happen, so I say that now. But I'll see you at the Apple Store. All right, guys, we just made it. The Apple Store is over here to our right somewhere. So I don't know where Stone is going. He's taking us behind the building. Oh, there's a spirit. I've been looking for a spirit. Where is this place? There's an Eddie Bauer store. Man, this is rich people central. There it is. It's right there. And we waited like 30-45 minutes for them to tell us that the one we wanted wasn't in stock. They literally took for fucking ever, dude. It was fucking insane. But now we are gonna go to the Spirit Halloween over here, because me and Stone usually go into Spirits every year, and we haven't gone in one this year, so why not see if they have anything cool or funny or, you know, something like that. Because, you know, Spirits just managed to fucking pop up out of nowhere. So, alright, this BMW does not know how to fucking drive. But it's BMW. Does that really surprise anyone? Because it doesn't surprise me at all. Alright, we're going to run in here and see if they have any cool costumes. I'll take front row any day of the week. Alright, we're leaving Spirit now. Honest to God, I was going to film stuff in there. Because, you know, sometimes those Spirits have like a little thing set up. You know, like a mini little haunted house. Or, you know, they'll have displays set up. I'm not lying. That Spirit had zero big Z-E-E-R-O is how you spell that, I think. I'm probably lying. They had zero displays set up, and that's a bummer because I like looking at the displays. Stone almost got hit by that fucking car. You know, Stone is not having a good day. He's having a shitty day. Right now, what we're going to do is we're going back to Stone's house. We're going to go back to Stone's house so I can buy a Choose Fitness membership and go to the gym, because for some reason right here we didn't have service, and I don't know why. That was a little pull. I don't know if I was recording though. and I think Stone was in the wrong gear, so you know, it is what it is. We're actually not too far from Stone's house, luckily. Alright guys, well there's not really much more to film, honestly. We're just gonna be going to the gym and fucking, whoa. We're just gonna be going to the gym and you know, working out. I don't really want to end the vlog because I don't know, you know, what time I'm gonna be headed home, or if me and Stone go out riding some more or what, but yeah. Today has not been Stone's day. I feel really bad for the guy because he's not having a good day. I think this is actually our exit. It is. But yeah, if anything interesting happens, I'll pick up the vlog. Well, guys, little bonus clip because I didn't end the vlog later. It's currently 1:45 in the morning. We stayed playing at that arcade for a while, and we ended up playing some pool till about 1:30. Ready?
Yeah.
It's for the vlog anyway. Now I'm on my way home, and let me tell you guys, I am in a butter thin jacket right now, and it's about 28 degrees outside. I am absolutely freezing right now. I am freezing. But I didn't end the vlog, so I figured I'd do this little bonus clip. Ooh, you like that? I figured I'd do this little bonus clip for you guys to end the vlog out at 1:45 in the morning in 20-degree weather. But I know this vlog was kind of all over the place, and it was probably kind of short, and I'm sorry. I love you. But if you like, please leave a like, subscribe, share with a friend. I'm going to continue to suffer on the way home, so y'all don't have to watch me. And I know you couldn't see anything right there. You might be able to start to see stuff now. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna suffer, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one.